Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve for a from this given radical equation, square root of 2a plus 3 plus square root of a minus 1 is equal to 7. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation. This is square root of 2a plus 3. Then this will be equal to, we have 7 minus, if you take this to the other side, square root of a minus 1. Let us square both sides of this equation. This is square root of 2a plus 3 all square is equal to 7 minus square root of a minus 1 all square. As you can see, this cancel this. Then we have 2a plus 3 is equal to 7 minus square root of a minus 1 all square. Then this is 2a plus 3 will be equal to, if you expand this, we have 49 minus 14 root a minus 1 plus a minus 1. This is 2a plus 3, then is equal to 49 minus 14 root a minus 1 plus a minus 1. Then this is 2a. If you bring this a to this side, become minus a plus this 3. If you bring this minus 1 to this side, become plus 1. Then if you bring this plus 49 to this side, become minus 49 is equal to minus 14 root a minus 1. Then this is 2a minus a. Then 3 plus 1, that is 4, minus 49, that is minus 45 is equal to minus 14 square root of a minus 1. Now let us multiply the whole of this equation by minus 1, and this become 45 minus a is equal to 14 square root of a minus 1. Let us square both sides of this equation again. This is 45 minus a all square is equal to 14 square root of a minus 1 all square. Then if you expand this, we have 2025 minus 90a plus a square. This is equal to 14 square. We have 196 multiplied by this. We cancel this. We have a minus 1. Then this is 2025 minus 90a plus a square is equal to 196a minus 196. Then this is 2025 minus 90a plus a square, then minus 196a plus this 196 is equal to 0. Now this is a square minus 90a minus 196a. That is 286a plus this is 2025 plus 196. That will be 2221 is equal to 0. Then this is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is giving us a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. From this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 286, then c is equal to 2221. A is equal to minus bracket minus 286 plus or minus square root of then minus 286 all square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2221 over 2 multiplied by 1. Then a is equal to minus times minus 286. This is 286 plus or minus square root of then minus 286 square. That is 81796 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2221. That is 8884 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 286 plus or minus square root of 81796 minus 8884. That will be 72912 over 2. But square root of 72912 is equal to 270. So we have A is equal to 286 plus or minus 270 over 2. Then from here, A is equal to 286 plus 270 over 2, or A is equal to 286 minus 270 over 2. Then 286 plus 270, A is equal to 556 over 2, or 286 minus 270, A is equal to 16 over 2. Then from here, 2 here 1, 2 in 556, this is 278. Then 2 here 1, 2 here 8. Therefore, A is equal to 278, or A is equal to 8. Our final answer are A1 is equal to 278 and A2 is equal to 8. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. The square root of 2a plus 3 plus square root of a minus 1 is equal to 7. Now let's see. If a is equal to 278, this is square root of 2 bracket 278 plus 3 plus square root of 278 minus 1 must be equal to 7. Now this is square root of 2 multiplied by 278 plus 3. That will be 561 plus square root of 278 minus 1. This is 277. And if you express this, this is approximately equal to 23.7. Then plus 16.6 must be equal to 7. But as you can see, if you add these two together, this is not equal to 7. So this is rejected. Now if a is equal to 8, we have square root of 2 bracket 8 plus 3 plus square root of 8 minus 1 must be equal to 7. Now let's see now. This is square root of 2 times 8, that is 16, plus 3, that is 19. Then plus square root of 8 minus 1, that is 7, must be equal to 7. And of course, if you square root of 19, this is 4.36 plus square root of 7, that is 2.65, must be equal to 7. Then if you add the two together, this is approximately equal to 7. Therefore, the left-hand side is 7 is equal to 7, which is true because this will be equal to 7.01. I hope you enjoyed it, and this is valid for the solution. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.